Good morning, Anishinaabe students. This video is brought to you by the letters A, M, T, and B. Today we're going to work on letter sounds. I'm going to give you the sound and you're going to give me the sound, just so we get some practice in recognizing lowercase letters and their sounds. This letter says B, B. You do it. This letter says A, A, A as in apple. A. This letter says T, T, T as in turtle. This letter says M, M, M as in mouse or mad or mom. Again, this video has been brought to you by the letter B, A, T, and M. Thank you for watching.